Hi friends, I hope you are staying safe and healthy. This video is presented by M. Aishwarya and M. Bhanumati, Department of Commerce from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to explain about Central Board of Direct Tax from the subject of Income Tax. CBDT, Central Board of Direct Tax. Meaning, it is a statutory body established as per the Central Board of Revenue Act 1963. It is India's official financial action task force unit. It is administered by the Department of Revenue under the Ministry of Finance. It means the CBDT, Central Board of Direct Tax, is the highest executive authority whose powers of administration, supervision and control exceeded over the whole IT department. It is constituted under the Central Board of Revenue Act at 1963. Powers of Central Board of Direct Tax. The Central Board of Direct Tax deals with matters related to levying and collecting of direct tax and formulation of various policies related to direct tax. The officials of the board in their ex officio capacity also function as a division of the ministry dealing with matters relating to levy and collection of direct taxes. Powers of CBDT, Central Board of Direct Tax. The CBDT has been vested with a wide variety of powers, important among which are as under: power to make rules, power to issue order, power to appoint IT authorities, power to issue general or special orders for collection of revenue, power to issue direction, power to entertain objection, empower to declare as a company, power to authorize IT authority, granting authority regarding search and capture, officers to function concurrently, power to make rules. The board may, subject to the control of the central government by notified in the Gazette of India, make rules for the whole or any part of India for carrying out the purpose of this Act. Section 295. It means the rules are controlled by central government. The Gazette of India make rule for the whole or any part of India. Power to issue order. A power conferred upon the CBDT, Central Board of Direct Tax, to issue instruction and direction by Section 119 for proper working of the Act. The board has a power to issue such order, instruction and direction, etc. Powers to appoint IT authorities. A board has a power to appoint any IT authority below the rank of assistant commissioners. Power to issue general or special orders for collection of revenue. The board has power to issue general or special orders whether by the way of relaxation or otherwise regarding provision OG sections 139, 143, 144, 147, 148, 154, section 155, 210, Section 211, Section 234A, Section 234B, Section 234C, Section 271 and 273, and set forth the direction and instruction as the guideline principles and procedures to be followed by the IT authorities for the purpose of proper and efficient management of work of assessment and revenue. Power to issue direction. Under Section 2, subsection of 1c, the Central Board of Direct Tax has power to issue direction that income from property held under trust not to be included in the income of recipient. Power to entertain objections. The board has the power to entertain objections as regard research, search and capture. Section 132. It means Income Tax Authority having a power to search under Section 132 can authorize its subordinates to conduct search. Empowered to declare as a company. The CBDT is empowered to declare any institution, association or body as a company for any assessment year. They have the rights to declare to empowered by any association as a company. Power to authorize IT authority. A board may authorize any IT authorities to admit any application or claim for any exemption, deduction, refund or any other relief even after the expiry of the period pre-subscribed making such application or a claim. It means the income tax law empowered to Central Board of Direct Tax to authorize income tax officers to accept such returns like claiming an exemption, deduction, refund, carry forward of losses as a case may be, even after an expiry of a due dates pre-subscribed. Granting authority regarding search and capture. The CBDT may authorize and Director General or Chief Commissioners or any Joint Director or Joint Commissioners to conduct search and capture under Section 132. General or Chief Commissioner having a power to search and capture under Section of 132. Officers to function concurrently. The CBDT may require 2 or more assessee officers to function concurrently. The Central Board of Direct Tax have to function evaluate with 2 or more officers. Thank you.